Brittany Kobe, and yeah, we're back for another video. And today we are going to teach you at home, because there's nothing to do at home anymore. Yeah, we're gonna teach you how to scoot, but we're gonna teach you how to do a manual scooter. So let's just do a little session of scooting real quick, and then we're gonna get into the video. Okay. And I'm sorry if you see there's a small screen and then a big screen, because all we're doing is just tipping the phone upright or sideways. So let's do the session. So much balance on this one. Really light. This one's light. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Today, I will be teaching you at home. I think I already said this, but okay. I'll be teaching you how to do a manual, a very easy beginner trick to learn on a scooter. Annie, you there? You with us? You with us, partner? Yeah, she's with us. Okay. Okay. Anyways, she wants to play ball. Okay. Anyways, let's get into the scooter. Uno. Okay. So we are going to teach you how to do a buddy hop, so then you can level up to the manual. Okay, so buddy hop. Of course, you want to push down, pull up. You're going to pull up with your knees. Well, you're going to jump with your knees, pull up with your arms, they stay with your legs. Okay, here's a demonstration. This is just a quick little, demonstration. Okay, so now, hopefully you can keep practicing that. But if you nail that down, you can level up just a little bit, where you can start doing where you put your weight all the way in the back and go like that. That's step number 2. So you want to do that type of bunny hop when you are doing rails, because you want to get up on the rails and then jump on them. But here's where we are. It's right here. You don't even have to jump after this. You can just do this. That's all you have to do with the manual. Okay? So, practice. But for beginners, a manual is easier to learn when you have your foot on the very back. All your weight's in the very back, and just lean back. And I recommend having one foot out for stability. Okay? You want to go whoa. See, takes a lot of balance and practice. Well, once you nail that down, you might want to level your game up and put one foot up and go like that. See, when you're in that motion, you can slide your foot back. Because when you did I mention, you always want to step on a deck like this. If you're left-handed, left foot in front. If you're right-handed, right in front. You put your foot in front, whichever foot you would kick a ball, soccer ball.